Airbnb Wilfred Hales houses for rent. Hello, dear viewers. I have for the weekend of rest the biggest and most beautiful house of the outskirts of the city of Cali. We can go see you here together. Yes. Entering within on the left and very nice social bedroom of visitors. It's beautiful. On the right side, we have comfortable study. We, where you can really be natural lighting. Continue down the record, we find the completely new kitchen with a modern style. The kitchen and the living room are the single European environment, so that you can tell while preparing food. The room has a six-seat dining room with an exclusive magazine design. There is a large patio where you can play with the children and enjoy and drink. The house has two floors. On the second level, we have a TV room with a comfortable sofa. On the right side in the main room with a large balcony and a wonderful view. There are also two very comfortable rooms with television for children. One room and two rooms. The rental of house includes internet, food, and romantic dinner, all for evaluate for 500,000 pesos per night. Take Avengers and Reds enjoy the surroundings. You can walk, exercise, play and soccer. See you later, viewer. Bye bye.